Welcome everyone to my YouTube video where we'll be exploring an exciting new course called Career Essentials in Generative AI, brought to you by Microsoft and LinkedIn Learning. This course is designed to equip you with the essential skills and knowledge to excel in the world of generative artificial intelligence. So, let's dive right in. The Career Essentials in Generative AI course, available on LinkedIn Learning, is a comprehensive and cutting edge program that covers the foundation of generative AI. Developed by industry experts from Microsoft and LinkedIn, this course is perfect for beginners and professionals alike who are interested in harnessing the power of generative AI. This course is divided into 5 units, so you can think about 5 different courses together where you will be achieving a certificate. So this course is free to learn. That is an exciting news here. So here you can see it's a Career Essentials in Generative AI by Microsoft. So this is updated 2 weeks ago. Okay, so it's ready to learn. Okay, it's updated 2 weeks ago, and you can see this is by Microsoft. And you can also click here to check how it works. I'm going to walk you through the complete understanding of what you will be learning here. So you have 5 different courses here in order to do. So the first course is what is generative AI, which is of 42 minutes. Okay, and next one is generative AI, the evolution of thoughtful online search, which is of 26 minutes. Third is streamlining your work with Microsoft Bing Chat. This is of 26 minutes. And the fourth one is ethics in age of generative AI, which is of 38 minutes. And introduction to artificial intelligence is the final course, which you can complete within 1 hour 34 minutes. So in order to complete this particular course, okay, so you need 3 hours 49 minutes, which means if you spend half an hour a day, you can complete this within a week. Okay, so let us detail we will dive into what are the further concepts you will be learning in every course. Okay, so if you take about generative AI, you will be understanding about the importance of generative AI, how generative AI is different than other types of AI, how generative AI works, creating your own content. And you will be understanding about the famous tools for generative AI, natural language models, text to image application, generative adversarial networks, VAE, and anomaly detection, and future prediction, the future of jobs, moral and executive skill set required to work with Gen AI, caution when working with Gen AI. So all these things for in the first course. And in the second course, you will be learning about the search engine versus reasoning engines, thoughtful search strategies and consideration in reasoning engines, and in detail about all these things. And the third course is all about career essentials, which means getting started with the chat AI and chatting with Bing Chat, and also considerations with chat AI. The fourth course is all about like developing the skill of ethical analysis in AI, preparing for your organization to address ethics in AI. And finally, you will be learning about what is artificial intelligence, the rise of machine learning, common AI system, learn from data, identify patterns, machine learning algorithms, fix the algorithm, artificial neural network, improve accuracy, where to go from here. So all these things you will learn in detail very clearly. Okay, so as I told, this is a free course, so don't delay, just go to LinkedIn Learning. So I'll be posting the um, LinkedIn Learning login link in the description, where you can go and create your profile. and then search for this particular, even I'll also drop this link in the description. You can directly go into this and just simply click start learning path. So once if you click start learning path, you are now good to go to learn all these courses right from the beginning. So once you have completed, you will be earning a professional certificate. Once you take an exam, you will earn a professional certificate as well. Okay, so you have to complete all the courses and content in the learning path. So you have to finally take one exam in order to get the pass. Like if you cleared it, you will get an immediate access to your certificate, and you can add it to the LinkedIn profile and share it with others. So this is an exciting news for all of you. Now the generative AI is booming, and definitely you should know what is generative AI to keep track of the path. So all the best. Once you complete, please share your success, your certificate in the comment, or even I have given the blog link as well. You can even comment your success in the blog. You can tag me in the LinkedIn if you have completed this course. I'll be happy to see your success. And from today, even I'm going to start. So right from today, in the next week, you can see my achievement in the LinkedIn as well. So don't wait. All the best. We'll see you again with an exciting course. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.